Hey guys, so my 2004 Honda S2000 needs a wheel bearing replaced. Here's how I figured it out. So I'm going to flip around real quick. Well, maybe not. But started by putting it, go ahead and just set it not in gear, neutral, with the parking brake off. I jacked the whole car up. So just using the scissor jack that comes with it. Jack the car up so it's off the ground here, and then you can start giving it a shake. The wheel can spin freely, but you notice you can hear it clunking. And if you actually grab the top and bottom spokes and pull and kind of push pull, I can feel probably a couple millimeters of forward-backward play between the top and the bottom of the wheel here, which means the bearings have slop in them, which means they're screwed up. And I learned about this when the car on deceleration, I could hear kind of I thought it was a squeaking, like a rubber squeak. Turns out that's the sound of metal sliding. So it wasn't a scrape, it was a metal, almost a very wearing away or grinding of metal on metal. So that's the bearings dying. Hope that helps anybody. Again, set your parking brake, or jack the car up first with the parking brake in gear. Jack it up. Then release the brake and release it in gear. Make sure the car doesn't shift. You're doing this on flat ground. Then just make sure your wheel spins freely, and then wiggle it, grab the spokes, and give a tug on top and bottom, one hand here, one hand here. Push pull and just see if you can feel any sort of movement.